Meaning of dioptre.
Diopter.
Dioptre.
Diopter.
Diopter. A diopter is a unit of measurement used to indicate the optical power of a lens or curved mirror. It is defined as the reciprocal of the focal length in meters. A lens with a power of 1 diopter has a focal length of 1 meter. The greater the diopter value, the stronger the lens or mirror and the shorter its focal length. A person's eyesight is often measured in diopters, with lenses used to correct visual impairments such as myopia or hyperopia. Optometrists and ophthalmologists use this unit to prescribe appropriate lenses for their patients.